In this video, we're going to work out percentages of amounts without a calculator. Now, the important thing when you're working out percentages of amounts without a calculator is to change your percentage into fractions and then do fractions of amount. So 25% in this first question is the same as a quarter. So it's asking me to work out what a quarter of £360 is. So I would need to divide 360 by 4, which gives me 90. So this is £90. The next one, 75% of 160. Well, that is 75% is 3 quarters. So it wants me 3 quarters of £160. So I would divide by the number on the bottom, the denominator, and then times by the number on the top, the numerators. So first, 160 divided by 4 times by 3. So 160 divided by 4 is 40. Times that by 3 is 120. So my answer is £120.